Select the latest available version of KPA EtherCAT Studio Bootstrapper package in the Products Download section of the customer portal and download it. Open your download directory and run the resulted installation file with administrator permissions. Carefully read and accept licensing terms and conditions. Select the desired options or use the default ones to start the installation process. After installation process complete, shortcuts for the selected products will appear on the desktop. Go to Licensing Utilities folder and run Hardware Info Generator to create the activation file. Choose the hardware and press Save button to select the device that will be used for binding the license. Go to the Licenses section of the customer portal and select the according license pool. Type license description. Select previously generated activation file. Generate and download trial license file. Run KPA EtherCAT Studio and apply the license. Go to View, Options, Master Startup Parameters and select the same license file for applying it to local master. Double-click the default host name to start master and connect it.
If you have any questions or comments, please contact us on our website.